Okay, just install the flush toilet kit. Yeah, and I use the string connect to the button of the release cap. Yep. Okay. Power up device down. Everything connected, working. Alexa, turn on flush toilet.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Woohoo. Turn a regular toilet into a Alexa, Siri, internet control voice command flush toilet. Yeah, I love this Sentry robotic device. Great support. Yeah. A great unit. Let's try push the button. One more time. Yeah. Nice. Easy and simple. You just put a cap on top of the cable will push a pusher here, so it's stuck here. You can take off the cap at the top and then moving this around anywhere you like to install. Yeah. Oh, this you can turn it off. Yeah. Interesting. Let's try one more time. Alexa, turn on flush toilet.
Okay.
Yeah, one more time. Woo-hoo, flush and clean. Touchless. Love it, love it. Yeah. This one, so we need to turn it off. Yeah. Okay. Ah, interesting. Great, great, great. Let's see, control by the web. Control by the web. Flush toilet. Okay, let's turn it on. Turn it on. And you can control the moving degrees here. Delay 6 seconds. So start 180. From the web takes some time. Let's see how long it can take move. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, delay 6 seconds. Great. Great. And then you can moving around. Wow, 28 seconds, that's too long. Yeah, every time you change the setting, you need to on and off. Yeah, one click, come back, minimize. Yeah, interesting device, love it. Flush toilet, great.